fun, squishy short videos are trending all over the internet lately. You can find them everywhere. They are actually created using the new Pika effects from the Pika's latest release. Besides the viral squish it effect, there are many other effects like levitated, crumbled it, kick it, inflated, dissolve it, crush it, explode it, and more than 10 other special effects. If you're interested in how these effects work, please keep watching. Since Pika effects currently only works with still images, you'll need some editing tools to create animated videos. First, let's open the editing software. Import your video into the media library, then drag it to the video track. Next, move the playhead to find the right frame. Since we can't manually select objects in the frame yet, we need to choose a clean shot, where the main subject stands alone without other items in the frame. You can zoom in or pan around in the preview window to avoid unwanted elements. Then click this button to take a screenshot of the current frame. Finally, use the split function to cut the video here and delete the later part. Open your browser and go to the Pika website. On the right side, either register for a new account or log in with an existing one. Once you are in, you'll land on the Pika 1.0 homepage, where you can start creating right away. You can directly choose from the examples cases shown on the homepage. Move your mouse over here and click Copy to paste the same effects into the input bar below. Then click Image here, or simply drag and drop your image into this area. Alternatively, you can browse through Pika effects and pick an effect you like. After making the selection, you can add more prompts to fine-tune the final generated image. Additionally, you can click this button to open the detailed settings panel. Here, you can enter negative prompts. Set a seed value to maintain image consistency. After setting these parameters, click this button to start generating. Keep in mind that the free accounts can only generate one image per day, and it usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes to complete. You can move your mouse over the image to automatically play the animation. If you are satisfied with the final result, click this button to download it to your computer. Then, head back to the editing software. Import the new video into the media library and connect it to where we made the screenshot earlier. And with that, your video is complete. And that wraps up today's tutorial. If you're interested in more creative video editing content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel.